And this video is sponsored by Ring.
Hey guys, I am out on my front porch and I am going to be decorating it today. This is the first time I've ever decorated a front porch. We've never had one to decorate, so I'm really excited. I got most of my stuff from Target, the Magnolia Hearth and Hand line specifically, but I also got some other things that are from TJ Maxx, from my mom's shop in her backyard. It's a little mix of everything, but I'll tell you where I got everything, and I'm really excited to take you guys along with me as I decorate my porch for the first time.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Alright guys, so my porch is all decorated and I'm going to now give you the full tour and tell you where I got everything from and kind of just where I found my inspiration. But I also want to show you something on my front porch that has been such an amazing peace of mind for our family. We've had it for a while now, but it's especially great for this time of year around the holidays when we're getting all kinds of packages delivered to our front door, and a lot of times we're away, we're traveling, and we want to make sure that our house is safe, but also that when we're getting packages delivered to our door, that those are kept safe as well. So let me show you what it is that we have been loving lately. So we have this Ring doorbell on our front porch, and the cool thing is it is synced to an app on your phone, and it has a camera on it. So one of the reasons why I love it, especially this time of year, is because package thieves are a real thing, and they are on a mission to steal your packages this time of year. So one reason that we're loving the Ring doorbell is because it can help keep your packages safe. So when somebody rings the doorbell, you can answer on your phone and tell the delivery man exactly where you want them to leave your packages. When Ring detects motion, it alerts your phone. It will notify that someone is at your door, and you can see and speak to anybody in real time. Another cool thing is that you will know exactly when your packages arrive because Ring notifies you when somebody is on your property. We do travel around the holidays, so Ring helps us have peace of mind when we are not at home because it allows us to check in when we're not at home. It gives us peace of mind while we're away, and it's like we're always home even when we're miles away visiting family for the holidays. So fun fact, my dad is a safety, I would call him a safety freak. He got it from his dad as well, and he's kind of passed that down onto me. This would be a perfect thing to give as a gift for the holidays. It would be a great gift for me to give to my dad, and I know he would love it. So I highly recommend Ring. We have been loving it. Gives us so much peace of mind, and I have a link for you guys in the description box if you guys want to check it out for yourself. Like I said, totally recommend. Go ahead and click that link. Alright, so my porch is decorated. Now I am going to give you a little tour and tell you where I got everything. So let's start over here. Here I have a rocking chair that is very loved, and I kind of don't mind it. It's like worn and a little bit dirty, but I kind of like that. But I got it from my parents' house. They used to have this rocking chair and this rocking chair sitting out in their front yard overlooking their property, and so I just thought they were really cute, and they weren't using them anymore, so I'm using them, and I just love it. It's like classic, timeless, just really cute. So that's where I got the rocking chairs from. And then this wreath is from Target, from the Hearth and Hand line, and I love how simple it is with just the little pops of red. I originally had envisioned having a wreath hanging here with like a big bow at the top of it, but I just kind of played with it and set it here for a second, and then I ended up really liking that, so I just kind of played with it. I really like how that looks. And then down here I got this basket from TJ Maxx actually, and it's still from that Magnolia line, the Hearth and Hand, but I got it from TJ Maxx for way less money than I ever would have from Target, which is really cool to find that. It doesn't really look that big on camera, but it's a pretty big basket. And then I just filled it with firewood from Lowe's, just like a bundle for like $5.99. And I like how that adds just like a little rustic, textury, but still kind of cozy vibe, and like a little bit of a natural element. And then this is just like a pick, I guess you call it, from Target, from the Hearth and Hand line. The tag's still on it. Classic Allie. So I just tucked that back there just for a little extra something, a little extra green. So that's this corner right here, and I'm really happy with how that turned out. And then let's move on to the door. So funny fact, that's a stocking up there because that is the number of our house, like our address, and I just wanted it for privacy to cover that up. So that's a little stocking that actually came from Target from the dollar spot last year. I think it's really really cute, but funny that, anyways, privacy reasons. So then this garland is from Target, from the Hearth and Hand line. Here's more of an up close look at it. It's really simple with berries and pine cones, but I like this wispy look, this wispy type branch. So I just hung that up there on some nails. And then down here is the wreath, and I love this wreath. It's that wispiness again with little white berries, and then these bells hung on ribbons. So every time you open the door, you hear it. Oh, I just love everything about this. When I went to Target yesterday, I think it was yesterday, I couldn't find it. I had seen it once before and I knew that was the wreath I wanted, and then I went to find it yesterday and I couldn't find it, but they had just moved it. So I snagged it because this was just the one I had my heart set on. I love it. I just hung it with a command hook. Back there, there's just a little command hook. It actually comes with a like a little loop that you can hang it on, but I just didn't end up using that. But yeah, super cute. I guess it's supposed to be more like up and down, like these are supposed to be in the middle, but I kind of like them off to the side a little bit. It's a little bit different. And then down here is a welcome mat, and this came from Target as well, from the Hearth and Hand line. It was only $12.99. They had another one that said joy in red letters, but this one was just so simple and classy. I loved it. And I think it looks really good all tied together. It kind of ties in the wood from that basket over there. And I just really love it. And the black as well. Okay, so then this little corner, that's again another rocking chair from my parents' house. This pillow is from Target, from the Hearth and Hand line. I just went crazy and grabbed everything from there because I loved it. If I could have decorated my whole house like that, I totally would have. I love that style, but the porch will do for this year. And then we got a little mini Christmas tree. It's a real one from Lowe's, and I had originally planned on putting this tree in this pot, but then I felt like it just needed a little something right here, so I ended up just setting it there to see what it would look like, and the pop of red from that pot looked really good with that red, the red up in the berries, the red over on that wreath. It just needed a little extra red, so I left it there. Also already had that little bow, so I thought that was really cute. And then I went back to Lowe's, and this pot needed something in it. It definitely did. I had pulled out a mum that used to be in there because it had died from the cold weather. And so I just went to Lowe's and I got this holly bush. It has a few little red berries on it, and I think that looks really good there. And it is a little bit of life. All right, so that is it for today's video. I had so much fun decorating my porch. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I did everything. If you liked what you saw, let me know in the comments. If you thought I should change something, totally open to hearing your feedback and your opinions on that. Also, you guys, check out Ring. If you have not done that already, totally look into it. I'll have that link down in the description box below. So great, especially this time of year, to just give you so much peace of mind. So like I said, I'll have that link down in the description box below. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming out. We would love to have you be a part of the channel. Also follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach with our friends.